Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayla Mitchell, also known as NaturalReign, and I am back with my roommates, Kristen. So I'm going to be doing to her hair what I already did to my own, so she's going to be getting some twists. Now, I've never done these twists on anybody else's hair, and to be honest with you, this is the first time that I did it on my own hair, and I really, really liked it. So I'm going to try that technique on Kristen, and we're gonna see how it comes out. And I also think this video should be interesting for you guys because you're going to see how it turns out on different hair textures. So her hair is blown out, but I have more shrinkage in general than she does, but we're just gonna see how it turned out even using the same technique if we can get the same type of results. Our hair is also around the same length, so y'all should be working with something at the end of this. We gonna see. I got you. Why did I sing that? I do not know.
Live your life.
Y'all,
she can actually sing. She's like playing around right now, but she can actually sing. Even though she only sings one part of the song, that whatever song she's singing, she can actually sing.
Well, thanks, Kristen.
No,
backhanded compliment
kills me.
Even though,
bro, you know that part kills me. Like, okay, give them an example.
I'm living my best life. I ain't going back and forth with you. I'm living my best life. And I just keep saying that over and over again.
For like 45 minutes to an hour straight, you guys.
That's so funny. And she be so annoyed, but I don't do it to annoy her at all.
I feel like she I feel like she does do it.
No. Like, you noticed that I was doing it. I didn't even know that it was annoying you. It's just something that happens. And I'm like, well, I can't stop now. I'm committed. So she would like it better if I didn't repeat the song over and over again, even if I sounded like crap. So even if I was like, I'm living my best life.
As long as you keep going with the song and not just singing that only part, I'll be happy.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not even about to lie to you.
I'll work on it, but no promises. Okay, y'all. So turn around a little bit.
You just moved on.
Sorry. I'm used to
I wasn't expecting it.
Sorry, girl. Okay, so this is like the section that I'm going to take. I'm not really caring about the part too much because you're not going to see it. And I'm probably going to make this small section into 3 or 4 twists. And I'm not going to add any product at first, but then I will at the end. I'm gonna see how it turns out. If it's too dry, I'm gonna just add the product.
Also, keep in mind, I have bleached my hair 5 different times.
5. Not 1, not 2, not 3, 5.
I mean, I only use leave-in now because of you.
You see that?
No, she made me feel so bad because, okay, I never used to buy a leave-in. The only thing I would do is I would take my actual conditioner that like I co-wash with and use that. She was like, you don't use a leave-in? Y'all would have thought I just cussed this girl out.
Because in my mind, yes, that's what she did. Okay, so this is the first one. I'm going to add it to the ends.
And I also need a trim. So I'm going to be doing that too.
So I'm going to add some product to the ends. What I'm going to be... Okay, but also that was a nice save. Like, it almost fell and I caught it. But
good job.
What I'm gonna use is the Miche twisting butter. This stuff smells so good. It smells like candy. I'm just gonna use a little bit on the ends because they seem a little dry.
Oh, they are now. 5 times.
But like, I'm gonna use this much. Nothing too crazy.
5 times.
5 times. This twisting butter is so freaking legit. I'm so serious. Like, it just... the moisture.
Go ahead, sis.
I'm trying, sis. I'm trying. This is gonna be a little process, I'm telling you.
But my hair is not as thick as yours, so it shouldn't be like as long.
So you guys, Kristen trimmed her ends on this side. There's still some more that needs to be trimmed, but it definitely made a huge difference in how her ends are looking versus this side, which still needs to be trimmed. So if y'all can see the difference, this is why you trim your ends. Like, show them the hair. That's how much she cut. It's not that much, but look how much of a difference it makes. Like, I can see. I don't know if y'all see. I see it.
Yeah, you can definitely tell. You see it?
Yeah. I'm pretty much twisting her hair without product. I'm only applying the twisting butter to her ends, which are blonde, so they need like more TLC. But when I did my hair, I didn't add product until the end. I'm going to add product to her whole head of hair when I'm done. but it's not gonna be too crazy because I don't want her hair to shrink up. Like I want her to have length. Like I got some length going on, so you feel me? So with that being said, she's gonna continue to trim, and this is the last one in this row. Then I'm gonna show you in kind of like I'm halfway. I'm gonna show y'all how it's looking. All right, so in the front, y'all, I'm just making sure to part a nice line because that's just like, this is where you're gonna actually see it. Other places, I literally just picked up some hair. I really did, but that's the way I did it on my hair too. But I like to part a straight line just because if she wants to do like a bun or anything, you want to look cute in the front. If you're gonna do these twists at home, I just recommend that the parts that people see the most, make them look straight. I'm just having her add some gel to her edges before I twist up the front part, but the rest of the hair I did not add gel to at all. Like no edge control, nothing. It took us an hour and 42 minutes, and y'all, I put a dent in it, but we got lots of hair left. And I think I ended up doing hers tinier than mine, which is still cute. But Lord, what was I thinking? In my mind, this is how tiny I did mine, but apparently in real life, it wasn't as tiny. Oh
it's
my
cute
gosh. Though. It is. But when I say mini twists.
Yeah, these are mini twists.
Mini twists.
Like, I'm gonna need help taking these out mini twists.
That's crazy. That's crazy. She gonna need help, y'all. What are y'all gonna help her? And you thought I was kidding when I said I felt like this is what dreads are like.
I kind of like it.
Wow. I told her just earlier that I'm like, oh, it's like locks.
But mine are tinier though. These look like sister locks.
Okay, but it still looks like a type of lock.
Y'all see that? No, but mine actually looks like locks. Yours kind of doesn't.
Mine looks, all right. Okay, y'all, so this is what we're working with, and they're cute. They do look like sister locks. Like, I'm gonna just give y'all a comparison. My hair is up right now, so you guys can't really see it, but I'm gonna take it down. Oh, Lord.
You're showing out with hang time, though.
I'm really mad at you. We showing, oh, come on. You can't let people have no type of inches, because this is what they do. This is what she looking like. So I did end up doing hers smaller, but it turned out really, really cute. I really like them. She could put them in a ponytail, and like I still got wow. Come on, of what it's like. Come on. So y'all can see a comparison of what it's looking like. I didn't have mine in a bun all day, so it's a little crinkly, but
you still cute.
Thank you, bruh. Get you friends that support you. So mine are like bigger than hers. Like
okay, you just put all of it in my eye.
I'm sorry.
I know.
I'm sorry. I couldn't see. Okay, but yeah, so mine are bigger. I unintentionally did hers smaller, but either way, they're gonna be cute. Like I can already tell. But yeah, that's like 2 different sizes you could do if y'all needed a comparison. And also, like, look at, we got red, we got blonde, we got red, we got blonde. You can turn around, we got red and blonde.
You know I got back problems. I turned around like, oh no, we going back. We going back.
You already told me. What did you tell me before we started?
Look, okay, if I don't like it, I'm taking it out same night. But I like it, so it's all good.
I'm so happy. It's done. Are we gonna see how
you don't have no rhythm now. You gotta go to me.
Right.
You gotta go to me, okay?
Right.
If I'm doing this, you just gotta.
Okay. And we gonna see how everything is going. Okay, you gotta set the rhythm. Okay.
Right. Okay.
All right. What we doing? So we can see how
we're still off. We're still off. I have no rhythm. I can't keep it going either. Like I have no rhythm at all. This who taught me how to twerk, y'all.
Who?
You.
When?
You remember you was like, all you do is pop. And then it come down. And then pop. And then it come down. She right. So I was looking at my own like, is this you?
Wait, swear. You let gravity do the work for you.
Cause I was trying to push it down. It wasn't working.
Toot it up, let it drop. Right. Gravity.
You can do a video about that.
Honestly, this is a lesson.
She can actually dance, y'all. She can dance and sing. I mean,
my roommate.
She alright, I guess.
Sweet. I better be more than I ain't. Got these toys going on. It's been like 2 hours. Oh, I'm getting a little hang time.
Show out.
I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Like, me and Kristen are pretty similar, so I'm not gonna let you do my whole head knowing
Scorpio.
Like it's Scorpio. No, we're terrible. We lived together and we didn't even know we was basically living next to the same person.
And it's so funny because I didn't even like her at first.
Because she thought I was bougie because I was a YouTuber. Ain't that crazy, y'all?
And she didn't really speak to me. She didn't invite me nowhere. Like, I didn't think I would like her.
I didn't like people. Well, in general, I'm not like a people person.
No.
Like, I'm not going out of my way to get to know anybody. But if
I match
together,
and I match energies.
Oh yeah, that's true. But I mean, I did too. So think about it. If we're both matching energies, we're both like, she not really for me because she not like. If you're too similar, you may never realize that y'all actually get along. Like me and my other roommate Casey, we're like opposites, so we get along really well. And then me and Kristen are really similar, so they get along just like me and Casey get along.
I'm gonna say, you gonna tell them the story?
What story? The homecoming?
Cool, yeah.
Oh Lord. So it was like homecoming, and we're like, let's get lit, let's do something. And we're in my car already because I think we had gone to the beauty supply store, and we went to go. We all dye our hair different colors. We was bonding over that. We finna all get a color, and then that's when we filmed that video. I'm gonna have it linked up there, y'all. I'm gonna have it linked up there.
Plug.
You always.
Hey, where's it gonna be linked at? I'll point to it.
It's gonna be linked up there. Yes, that's where it's gonna be linked at. All right, and it's just us dyeing our hair the 3 different colors. So it was that week that we became cool.
Yeah.
And then what happened, Kristen?
How Atlanta niggas say it? How you do it?
All right, so boom.
Right? So we had the good idea to dye our hair and get lit at the same time.
I forgot we did that at the same time.
Yeah. Y'all, we was drinking beatboxes, and granted, we only had one. When I tell you, I was lit. Now, I don't know about them, but I was lit.
I wasn't quite as lit as she was, but I was feeling it. Like I was in a happy place.
But anyway, so what happened after that? We were just all sitting in the living room dyeing our hair. We just talking. And you know, everybody feel a little good when they a little lit, you know? And that's when I realized I liked them.
Yep, and that's the same thing. Because I already knew Casey. We had already been roommates for like 3 years at this point. But Kristen was the new one. She popped out, you know. And I was like, well, I don't know at first. But then after homecoming, we was all good. Because I was like, you know what? Maybe I misjudged her. It's not too often that I misjudge somebody.
But same though. Same. Because I was like, I don't know about her.
And then we found out that we're like crazy similar. And that's why I think it's so funny. Because how? How do you go from like, I don't know about her to like, oh, that's me.
Right.
It's crazy. I'm like, who? Me? I ain't never met a me.
What?
Ever.
I just told my mama that. I was like, Mom, she's me. I am her. Like, that's me.
Man, our guy talks be so funny. She'd be like, Jalen, it's this, right? And I'd be like, yeah, girl, it's this. What else is gonna be? Baby girl, do better.
This is what I live with, y'all.
Y'all, my back, my back is hurting. It is 11:33. Mind you, we started at 9:05, and my back is like, baby girl, we don't do this. I need a little back break.
I'm tired.
I'm tired, boss. I've been putting in that work, blood, sweat, tears, all that.
How much hair I cut off from the twist so far?
And she still got, they look so cute.
I like them.
Of course I like them. Right? I mean, nah, but if I didn't like them, I'd be like, I don't like them. I'm not finna finish. But yeah, we're like 3/4 done. I got one more section, which I miss a lot of hair in this section. I just got this much left. Hey, y'all already think we look like sisters or cousins or family or whatever, so y'all really not gonna be able to say nothing.
What?
Woo-woo. Woo-woo. But it's just, I've been twisting hair for 3 hours now.
And I haven't slept for like a week, so I'm really delirious.
See, the thing about conquering mini twists is you have to be just as resilient as you were when you started, because you can't mess the front up. If anything, you definitely, so it actually gets harder. Not that it's super hard, but it gets harder when you get to the top because you can't get lazy. Like, I've been doing this for 3 hours, but I can't mess her parts up because that's the part everybody gonna see.
Thank you. I remember when y'all was younger and you used to put your hand up to act like you're scratching your head to see how much more your mama got. That's me.
And I'm over here like,
no, honestly, y'all, she been throwing my head around. I'm just like, bro.
Okay, but you let me though.
Yeah.
Sure did.
I'm also putting this on the ends just because they were kind of still frizzy, like after I cut them. So
just putting in that work. Y'all see me. I feel like a twisting champ. I'm over here like just whipping it together.
Like those African braiders. That's
Well, I
exactly
can
like
only dream.
Bro.
I can only dream to be as fast as they are. They efficient.
Man, what?
They switched your whole head up 30 minutes tops. Child's play.
25.
If we being real. And don't let me get two braiders. Done in 10. Ooh, working, Asia. Yes, you were that guy. Yep. Oh, swing him. This is slow-mo right here. This will be looking like hers are smaller, so she got like a sister lock look going on, and then mine's are a little bigger but still a mini twist.
I can't.
You feel me? Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this
I got
video.
my arm behind you like I'm your man. Let me stop.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It took so long, but it was so worth it because I really like the results. If you guys do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, y'all, so for real, we done. We out. We rolling out.
Look, gang. Wait, how do you do it? How do you do it?
I don't do none of that. I don't do no gang signs.
No, that's not a real gang sign.